This is the LKQ engine I put in. Only has somewhere around like 36, 34, 36, 38,000 miles on it. But it runs good. First LKQ engine I ever put in. Actually, the first Savage Yard engine ever put in. I usually try to build my own engines. But they were in a hurry on getting this car done. And he just went ahead and bought an engine and put in it. She run it hot. Blow this hose here off, as you've seen before, other videos. And I'm pretty sure the head on it is crap. That's the old one. I hope he comes to get it, because I don't need it. But runs good. Gonna pick it up tomorrow and got the AC charge back. It takes the 1234A, or YF they call it, or 1234. I had to buy special fittings for my old gauges to put Freon back in it. O'Reilly's charged me $58 for a 12-ounce can. I took 3 cans to fill it up because it's a rear AC cabin control car. It's got the dual climate, so that's Freon's kind of expensive, but it's cooling. I got it cooling about 40 degrees. So it's doing good. Alright, see you.